curve, 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 swerve, curve.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear.
I hate doing these montages because what is it? I'm sexy, I'm beautiful, let me do a pouty lip, is that what you do? Pouty lip, doing look into the cameras like this, and doing look like that, and oh there's a celebrity, oh and there's my sofa, oh and there's my plant, like, this is so silly, but anyway, I'll do it for you guys. Watch me slay this Motown Tress Let's Lace wig with the C part or curve part. Y'all know I crazy. Let's go. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rogan and this is This Bahamian Gyal. Today I am going to be reviewing this Let's Lace wig from Motown Tress. It's a curve part. And I'm going to tell you all about this wig. It is a beautiful pink ombre wig. It has some blonde highlights. I've never tried a wig like this before, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And the best part about it is absolutely soft. It cost me 51 bucks on sale, and I absolutely love it. So I can't wait to review it. And don't forget, let's get some stuff clear. You got to what? Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook at This Bahamian Gyal, and make sure you click the subscribe button on my channel. Don't act crazy. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm starting out with this beautiful lace. It is just so soft and so nice. And let me just go ahead and try it on so you guys can see what it looks like on my head. I'm wearing a wig cap. The best thing about this wig is there's not much to do to it. It doesn't require a lot of customization. Like, as you can see, I just put it right on my head and it already looks really good. I'm just gonna comb this down so you guys can see. Oh, just so soft and pretty, and the color is just fabulous. The lace was perfect, it fit well, it had combs if you want that, and no shedding. No, absolutely no shedding. So I'm gonna go in and customize this to remove the lace. You can see my little hair is poking through there. Let's see here how I'm gonna do this. But I absolutely love this color. I've been really curious about color. I used to think these were, like, these types of colors were jungleless colors. And if you don't know what jungleless is, take a look at one of my Bahamian slang videos, Bahamian slang part 2. It'll explain what a jungleless is. But now I'm appreciating the beauty of these different colors. And just so you know, I washed this wig, I washed this unit before I installed it. This was the last wig that they had in the store in this style. And because I have a round face, I like to have like side parts more so than the middle parts. Some middle parts look okay, but for the majority of styles, I prefer a side part. So let me see if I can go in and remove this lace. And it goes all the way around to the ear. You can see that. So I'm just going to go in with my tiny scissors, make sure they're sharp, and be careful. And I'm going to do like this zigzag motion. You don't want to just cut it straight because it's going to look too fake. So, and also know that your hairline isn't straight. At least I don't think most people's are. So just do this zigzag motion and remove the lace carefully, making sure not to cut the actual hair itself. And look at the hair texture, it's so smooth, and I can't tell you how soft this unit is. It's just perfect. There's something so satisfying about watching someone cut the lace. At least for me anyway. I don't know about you guys. Comment down below if you like seeing people remove the lace. If it's satisfying for you too. So I'm just going to go in and make sure to cut off the remaining pieces of this lace. I'm going to tie my hair back or clip my hair back just so that that's out of the way. And just take your time here, guys. Make sure you cut it off properly. going to take it off just so I could get closer and then closer. So let me try this on again so you guys can see what it's looking like. The lace is now off. I'm going to pull this down towards my forehead. You can pull it down as far as you want it to be. This is about as far as I'm comfortable. And I don't like some people leave like the lace down here and then they do the baby hairs on that. I hate that. I hate to see the lace. So, okay, so let me see how this looks before I go in and add. I don't usually go through the whole process with the gel and all that stuff, but I'm gonna do it today. Yeah, honey. So let's just see here. Still no shedding. Very good. This looks like a little Barbie doll, pink something. I love it. Okay. So I'm gonna go in and put my. This is the holy grail of all girls who put wigs in their head. I don't like the smell of this. I had something the last time I used one of these sprays. I can't remember which one. Was it Aussie? I can't remember. You guys probably have a better memory than I do. And that smelled really good, but I don't know if it was as sticky as I needed it to be. So I'm going to try it with this one and see how it goes. And I also have my Got2b glue, the invincible glue one that you can just kind of swipe on, and then I'm going to see how that works too. Okay, now I see some shedding. But that's probably because I cut, see that? Can you see that? That's probably because I cut the lace and stuff. But I don't mind, that's not too much. That's like minimal shedding. How are you guys liking it so far? I love the fact that it's so, oh, I should have waited for you guys to respond. Hey, how are you guys liking it so far? Like it? Thumbs up if you're liking it so far. What I love about it is it's so easy to, like it's not much to do, you know? Like some wigs just take too much. Please excuse me, my brush is a bit dirty. When you have natural hair and you gotta swoop that in a ponytail or something like that, child, let me try cleaning this out a little bit so y'all don't think I'm nasty. I'm not. It's just that this, your girl just ain't had time to clean this one up. It's too busy cleaning the house. So I'm just going to brush up my hair, brush that back a bit just to get that out of the way to prepare it for the gel that I'm going to apply. Got to be real, got to be true, won't you find, yeah. I don't even know what the song says, but I just know the melody. Got to be, yeah. Got to know, yeah. To be real, it's got to be real. So I'm going in and I'm spraying this Got2b freeze spray on my hairline. I just want to make sure I coat it properly so that the unit sits on my hair properly. Water is the first ingredient in these, but this is a lot of alcohol and I don't like that. I try not to put alcohol on my hair. I'm going to use this blow dryer on the cool setting and just aim this at my forehead. I want to make it tacky, make the product tacky, so I need to spray it with cool air. So be careful not to use hot air, guys. You don't want that melting all over the place. So I turned my volume down because I don't want you guys to be put off by that loud sound from the blow dryer. But just go around the perimeter of your hair with the cool air blast. And touch it and see if it feels tacky enough. If it feels sticky, then you're good to go. If not, then you might need to blow it again. So I'm just gonna go and pull this down. Like I said, I like to pull it a little closer to my forehead, but not right on my forehead. And just adjust it to your liking. You can see the little piece of lace there, and I could always cut that later, but right now I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to try and glue that down. And do the same thing on the other side. And hold those down so that they get dried. You could also tie your hair down if you want to. Okay, so I'm back. The hair around the perimeter isn't completely dry. I use my blow dryer, but I guess it's just going to take some time. But I love the way it came out. You don't have to use a wig cap. I don't really like wearing the wig cap, to be honest with you. It's just that my hair is not fixed. So that's why I have on the wig cap. Let me just comb this out for you guys. Let me tell you a little bit about the unit, first of all. Like I said, I washed it immediately after I got it because it was the last one on the mannequin, and I was touching the hair and all that sort of stuff, and you know, people would touch the mannequin as well, so I didn't want to just bring that and put that on my head, like I wasn't even trusting that. But you can wash it and it did not tangle. It dried very quickly and it dried straight with a slight bump. Just how you see it here is how it was when I bought it, which I absolutely love. Let me just give you some details about this. This is the Motown Tress Let's Lace Wig Curve part. It has 6-inch half moon part lace. That's this right here. Can you guys see? My wig cap starts right here, so if you see it looks lighter here, it's because of the wig cap. But right here, you don't see it. So what you can do too is, if you want to, I didn't do this, you can, when you're flat twisting your hair or you're cornrowing your hair to get it flat, you could leave like a little part there, and I think I'll do that next time, so that you could really see your scalp. But this is in the color OT Rose. OT Rose. And this is what it looks like, the regular color, I suppose, but I didn't want the regular color. I wanted something fun. So this is an ombre two-tone. I don't ever use glue on my hair, and I hope to God I never do. By the power of Great Skull, I will not be using glue on my hair because my edges, they mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. Oh, edgy. So I will not be using glue on my edges because they mean the world to me. Do not rub or wring during washing. I didn't do that. Do not brush or comb while piece is wet. I use this a little bit, just a little bit. I use this. Do not use hair dryer on high heat setting to dry. Smart, because it is synthetic. I put mine on low, but it has like this little cold blast thingamajig. So I put that on, so it's just applying cool air right there. And do not expose your piece to any extreme heat source, such as open flames, steam, and a hot stove. Hot oven. I don't know what y'all people be doing. Y'all must be cooking with your wig on. This is the final look, guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this little tutorial. Don't forget to give me a big funky thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. I love to hear what you all have to say. Did you buy this unit? Did you have it in another color? If you're on YouTube and you did this, and you have this wig, I would love to see how it looks on you. So please just link it down below. Let me know what you're saying. And of course, subscribe to my channel. And you can also find me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram as This Bahamian Gyal. Also on Facebook. Pinterest, I'm not on Pinterest that much. On Twitter, I am This Bahamian Gyal, D-I-S Bahamian Gyal, because this couldn't fit. And you can also check out my blog, www.thisbahamiangyal.com. And before you go, please don't forget to subscribe. You got to subscribe. If you want to see some more, you got to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I ain't doing no more. I ain't doing no more. I ain't doing no more. You got to subscribe. I'm Rogan. I'll see you guys next time. Love you, love you, love you. Bye.